Ever wonder why 3 digits can decide your car, your apartment, your living situation? This little number holds massive power. But where did it come from? Who created it? And who was it really meant to help? Let's rewind. Before credit scores, borrowing money was a whole different process. There was no official system. Banks relied on reputation, personal relationships, and, let's be real, stereotypes. You wanted a loan? You better hope the bank manager liked your handshake or your skin color. In fact, early credit decisions were often based on neighborhood, ethnicity, or occupation. Fair? Nope. Efficient? Also nope. By the mid-20th century, credit bureaus popped up across the U.S. They collected information about your debts, job history, court records, and more. Problem? These records weren't standardized and or regulated. Some even included subjective notes like irresponsible or messy house. These files were almost impossible to correct and were super biased. Enter engineer Bill Fair and mathematician Earl Isaac. In 1956, they created an algorithm to make credit decisions more consistent and data-driven. The idea? Use math to predict whether someone will repay a debt. No more personal assessments, just numbers. Banks loved it. By the late 80s, this scoring system became the standard. Today, your credit score affects almost everything. Loans, jobs, housing. But even though the system looks neutral on the surface, the outcomes not so equal. Communities historically excluded from banking, especially Black and brown neighborhoods, often have lower scores. Not because they're less responsible, but because of systemic gaps. Fewer credit-building opportunities, redlining, and income instability. And guess what? It won't score you at all if you don't already have credit. So who wins in the credit score game? Lenders, banks, credit card companies. The system wasn't built for fairness. It was built for risk management, for them. Sure, it brought consistency, but it also locked millions out of the very opportunities credit was supposed to create. Credit scores aren't going away, but understanding them, that's power. For more, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment. How has your credit score shaped your life?